Okay, it looks like our first question is 948 divided by 7. Okay, so 7 times what number gets me 9? 1. 1 times 7 is? 7. So how much do we have left over? 2. Awesome.
And then you bring the 4 in. So it's 24 and then minus 24.
Okay, hold on. Let's all go to stay together. Don't rush ahead. So now the next number we're working with is 24. So we're going to think to ourselves, 7 times what number gets me closest to 24 without going over? Noah?
21. 7 times 3.
So 7 times 3, which is 21. You always find your difference, and please remember to show that you are finding the difference by your subtraction sign. 3 is our difference.
And then you bring down the 8.
Then we bring down our 8. So now we have 7 times what number gets us closest to 38 without going over, Colton? 5. 5 times 7 is 35. So how much do we have left over?
3.
3. So we would show that we have 3 left over by remainder 3.
Are we going to do the expanded?
Nope, you don't have to do the expanded form or the partial quotients on this page. Okay, show me 2 when you're ready for number 2. Okay. This will be posted, so if you miss it or you want to go back and review, you can, okay? Number 2, it looks like we have 179 divided by 4. Colt, can I do the 1?
No, because that's
Two.
17 make it 6.
It's not equal or bigger, right?
Yeah.
1 is too small.
17.
So 17. So 4 times what number gets us closest to 17? I want to bring this out so it like reminds you of like what we're thinking about. So 4 times what number gets us closest to 17 without going over?
16.
4. I couldn't use 5 because it's 20 and that's too much. So it has to be 4 times 4.
Then you bring down the 7. And you got 17 again.
Okay. Hmm. 4 times what gets us 19? Or what?
4, then 16, you have 3.
Remainder is 3.
Good. You all right, Jackson?
Yeah. I get putting those in the wall.
Okay. We are working on the gray page in our packet. So Charlie, this is yours. You already did it with us. But Jackson, if you need to do this, you can get a piece of paper. But I'm also recording it, so you can go back and check it out, okay, buddy? Okay, here's paper up here, babe. All right, show me 3 when you're ready for number 3.
What, we're all done?
We're done with 2, yeah?
What was the 44? It was 44?
44 with a remainder of
3.
3.
So you write 40 and then 4.
With a remainder of 3. Number 3 is 573 divided by 3. Okay. 3 times what number gets us closest to 5?
1.
1, yep. What's 1 times 3?
3.
How much do we have left over?
2.
Awesome. Now what we do,
We bring down the 7.
perfect. So our new number is 27. 3 times what gets me 27? 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Do we have anything left over? Ooh, are we done?
No.
Oh.
Bring down the 3.
Ooh. Okay. We know that 3 times 1 is 3.
The remainder is 0.
So our remainder is 0. Okay, number 4. We have 747 divided by 6. Six times what number gets me 7? 1. 1 times 6 is 6. We have 1 left over.
And then you bring down the 4.
Bring down the 4. Make sure you're drawing your arrows, showing your symbols. 6 times what gets me 14?
So that would be 12. 14 is 6. 2.
Okay. So now we have 27. 6 times what number gets me closest to 27? 6 times 4. If I did 6 times 5, I would get 30. That's too much, right? So 6 times 4.
Which is 3. So the remainder is 30.
Good. So let's say you are mailing 647 cupcakes, and each box fits 6 cupcakes. How many boxes would you mail?
124.
Oh, but what about the leftover cupcakes?
30.
Ooh, so how many boxes would you need?
125.
5. Yeah, you'd have to need 125 because you got a remainder.
But Miss Cornell,
Mhm.
also one thing, wouldn't, with the 6 there, couldn't you put the remainder since it's half the 6? So it'd be 124 and a half.
Yeah, because essentially you would have a half of a box full. But for right now, though, just focus on doing 3. When you get into 5th grade, you'll be doing like 0.5, which is another symbol for half. Okay. But for 4th grade, let's just remember to do this part, okay?
We could do 1.5.
All right, show me 5 when you're ready for number 5. Okay, I'm going to flip over. That's 5.
Wait.
Whoever's coming, can you please stop?
Miss Kim, sorry, Miss Cornell.
On
On the paper, there's no room to do this.
So what are we doing it on? Yeah.
I would have liked to do this too.
Yeah, but if there's never enough room on